English together.
Movie star.
Excuse me, are you Ryan Stone?
Yes, I am. Hi there.
Wow, I can't believe it. You're my favorite actor.
Thank you. That's so nice of you to say. What's your name?
I'm Jessica. I just saw your movie last week. It was amazing.
I'm happy you liked it. Which part was your favorite?
The ending. It was so exciting. You were great in that scene with the car chase.
That was a fun scene to film. It took 2 days to shoot.
Really? That's a long time. Was it hard?
Yes, a little. But the team was amazing, and we had a good time.
That's so cool. Can I take a picture with you, please?
Of course.
Thank you so much. My friends will be so jealous.
I hope they like the picture.
Do you want an autograph too?
Yes, please. That would be great.
Here you go, Jessica.
Thanks for watching my movie and being so kind.
Thank you, Ryan. You're even nicer than in your movies.
That's very sweet. Have a wonderful day.
You too. I'll never forget this moment.
Now let's learn some useful words and phrases. Actor. Movie. Take a picture. Autograph.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing to my channel for more content like this.